Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk about Redmi MIUI versions. As you guys have heard about it right now, that MIUI version updates are going on right now. So those who are using MIUI phone, this is a really awesome news for them because I have received yesterday my updates of MIUI. It was really amazing, so I thought maybe why not make a video about it. As you can see guys, previously we had about phone details in a below, but right now after receiving update it's moved up to top side. So we are going to press that. Now as you can see, I am running a latest MIUI version on my smartphone, that is 9.2.1, and that is stable also. As you can see guys, I am using Redmi Note 4 and it is running Android 7.0 Nougat version. So if I press system update, there will be no update because I am running the latest update right now. So that's it guys. So there are these changes in setting option. So there are many changes I'm going to show you, and that was really awesome. As you can see in our notification, it is showing data users. Whatever may be the data we are using through our SIM cards, not Wi-Fi, it will automatically show here every day. And beside that is monthly users, how many data you have used through your smartphone or maybe SIM card. So we are going to next file explorer. As you can see, it is showing icons, the folder which contains of which apps like WhatsApp, Pinterest, Facebook, download. As usual, it was a previously also there, videos, docs. Anyway, in File Explorer, as you can see, it is showing our storage option also. It wasn't there previously. And another change they made is that would be, as you can see here, we can quickly search about anything, whatever we are searching for, or we can quickly clean here or open some apps, or maybe we can add some apps here. Once you press that plus button, it will automatically add to the bar. And in below we have got about widgets of the apps, calendar events, and we can also customize that. So that's it guys, I thought this was amazing, so I thought maybe make a video, so I did it. I hope you guys liked it. So if it was helpful for you guys, then do not forget to subscribe this channel for similar updates. I will be giving you full details updates about a Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thank you.